This kitty dumpling is just too adorable. It looks good enough to take a bite. Let's make it with pipe cleaners. Bend a pipe cleaner into an onigiri shape, then twist twice to secure it. Trim off the excess, and it should look like this. Add another pipe cleaner across the center to reinforce the frame. Secure it first with hot glue. Then wrap pipe cleaners around the bottom edge. Keep wrapping until the frame is completely filled. Now you have the dumpling wrapper. Next, make a small half-circle piece to fill the center. Make 6 of these pieces. Glue them evenly around the outer edge. Now make a tiny bow for Kitty. Glue it in place like this. Then attach the eyes. Trim away the fuzzy fibers, then curl the wire to make the mouth. Trim more fuzzy fibers to create Kitty's whiskers. Finally, add a little blush. Attach the keychain hardware, and you're done. See? That was super easy. If you make one, don't forget to show me your finished creation.